Jai Hind to our all viewers. Welcome to Ppss Savani News channel. I am Christina Rathore studying 8th class. I am your host and I feel very excited to bring you today's news update. I would like to share highlights of very special event held in our school, Inter-House Talent Time Show. This event organized in every first month of the academic year and for a very thoughtful reason. This event organized for new and old students come together and feel comfortable in new environment and build strong friendship. Not just student, even teacher also get the chance to know new student better through this fun and friendly event. Each house perform unique and creative performance like child labor, Mahabharat, unity in diversity, them dance, drama, singing, drawing, even indoor sports also like chess. Students showcase their hidden talent with full enthusiasm and confidence. It was a wonderful blend of creativity, teamwork, and fun. It was a perfect start of new school. Congratulations to our all participants and big thank you to our all teachers for their constant support. And thank you for watching and we'll see you to next Ppss Savani News channel. Do good, take care and Jai Hind.